What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video.
Welcome to Tia's world. Welcome to Tia's world. Got my 4 boys with me, and we about to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world. Welcome to Tia's world. I got 4 boys with me, and they about to see the world. I got Jeremiah, cousin Cairo, and Zion. Jeremiah, cousin Cairo, and Zion. Jeremiah, cousin Cairo, and Zion. Welcome to Tia's world. Welcome to Tia's world. I got my 4 boys with me, about to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world. Welcome to Tia's world. I got my 4 boys with me. We about to see the world. Yeah, we about to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world. Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
Okay, y'all, so to make sure y'all are in my front mirror, well, camera, whatever. Y'all in the front, I'm driving. So right now I am going to the store. I'm having a Cravings fish kebabs. Like, I really even ate today because I didn't have an appetite. I ate a little bit. So it's not traffic. So you go. So basically I am running to ShopRite. Jeremiah just finished with his homeschool. My mom's keeping up for me while I run out, and I'm having a craving for barbecue food. Like, I just want like a little bit of baked beans with some corn on a cob. With I'm gonna make the boys some hot dogs. They love that. And I wanted some. I'm going to ShopRite. It's a little further, so I'm like rushing because she has somewhere to be, and I really have to fix this craving. I could have got it when she came back, but I want to marinate my stuff. So he just finished school, and I don't like to leave when he's doing his schoolwork because it's too much for me, let alone anybody else. So I'm not gonna be like, okay, I'll be back and these miles for my kids. No, so I want to make sure they're situated or whatnot before I pick up and go and do whatever else I have to do for the day. I could bring them along with me, yes, but I spend more time, I'm being honest with y'all, I spend more time taking the 4 of them with me into the store, unless it's like a regular day and nobody has nothing to do or whatever. If I'm in rushing, it's no point in me taking them in the store with me. If I'm rushing and then I gotta dress them, make sure this person's mask on, that person's mask on. I've been taking the big ones with me, but I'm like, I just want to get in and out. I want to get what I gotta get, and a lot of times if I don't write the list down, which I didn't today, I forget because I'm dealing with the kids. So anyway, I'm just rushing. So I'm like, I'll be right back. Let me just go get, I'm not speaking to anything like that. She don't gotta go anywhere right now, but I still want to go and get what I gotta get and have my stuff marinated. I don't want to wait till later on tonight because I want my stuff to be marinated now. So once I go get it, I'll clean the meat. I want to make shish kebabs, steak kebabs, chicken kebabs. Oh my gosh, y'all. Steak kebabs, chicken kebabs, and I want to make corn on the cob, hot dogs for the kids, and beans. And then I'll do like a little salad on the side. I'm even thinking about getting them some watermelon. I haven't been buying watermelon because I've been wanting to get them the watermelon with the seeds. Yeah, like y'all probably like, girl, you eat meat and all that other stuff. You can't buy watermelon without seeds. I know, but I just been waiting. I've been getting watermelon with seeds, so I just don't have them. I don't know. Don't mind me. I'm just weird like that. I'm just like that, funny like that. But anyway, hope y'all can hear me good because I am driving and I know it's moving and stuff. But it's ShopRite's like right here, not too far. I like their Italian dressing. So my thing is just to run in, get what I gotta get, and get back home. You know, they also need some more milk, and that's what it is. So I'm just gonna get the stuff that I need, get back home, marinate whatever I gotta marinate, let it sit. I gotta get some peppers, some green peppers, and some red peppers. I have onions, so I'm excited. I'm excited because I could just taste those steak kebabs. Oh, they'd be so good. Even the frozen chicken, like let them sit for, you know, let them sit. I like to boil my chicken. Some people don't like to do that before you put it on the grill. I like to boil it because I know it's done, so I boil it for a little bit, and then it's easier for me to cut it up. And you know it's cooked once it's boiled, and then once you put it on the grill, it's nice and tender. I don't like to have like tough meat, so even my and what I also do, I'm gonna vlog it, so this video will be, oh excuse me, what I got, what I'm getting, and just mini, you know, barbecue food ideas. I don't know what I even want to call it. It's just basically I'm gonna be cooking now. I'm gonna show you how I make everything. I'm gonna try to show y'all. By the time I come back, Cairo should be taking a nap, so that gives me a lot more time to record. Trust me, y'all, I be wanting to record for y'all all the time. There's so many ideas I be having to record with the kids and whatnot, but when it's all said and done, I'm doing this on myself, so it's a lot, you know. Thank God I have my mother, she helps me, but I'm doing it on myself, you know. So for me to be trying to record and deal with the kids and deal with their daily whatever's school, and dealing with Kaiser, doing him homeschool for him on the side, it's just a lot. So my mom's been very, very helpful. I know I keep saying that, but y'all don't know, like, she don't have to do it, so she's been very, very helpful. Other than that, you know, no complaining over here. This is what it is. This is my life. This is my situation. This is Tia's world. Well, welcome to it. So I'm gonna go ahead, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. I love talking to y'all in the comment section. Like, I might sound corny and cheesy. I don't care if y'all just saying hi. I'm just saying hi. Like, I love y'all and I appreciate all of y'all, and it just means a lot to me. The people that just get on here and just be like, I'm just saying hi. Like, it's so, like, that just means so much to me. Like, y'all don't know. That means a lot to me. So thank y'all. I love y'all too, and I appreciate y'all. And I think I came at the wrong time, but we'll see. If it's crowded, if the parking lot is like OD crowded or whatever, I think I'm just gonna make a U-turn and go back to one near my house, because then I don't want to get on long line. Anyway, so nobody don't got no mask on. Everybody, all the kids is getting out of school. High school kids is getting out of school, and I don't see nobody with, I see some with masks, but barely anyone. And they get out of school at 1 o'clock. They get out of school early. I don't see nobody with a mask on. No mask, no mask, no mask. I mean, of course they get out of school so they can take it down a little lower, but not in groups walking with all these people. I'm just talking. Sis need her hair done. I'm gonna take these braids out sometime this week. I don't know. These edges need a little touch up, but I ain't going nowhere besides in a house or grocery store with the, you know, with the kids, or a park or something, y'all. And then I will be back when I get out the store or when I get back in the house. I don't know, but either way, I'll show you guys everything that I got so you guys know how I am, what I'm cooking with. Oh, it's nice and empty, the parking lot. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm gonna park. I'm gonna jump out. I'm only gonna take my wallet. That's how fast I'm trying to be. Do I have my sanitizer? My sanitizer. I'm gonna park right here. On this side though, I'm gonna jump out, get what I gotta get back to the house. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna grab me a frappe too before I go in. Here's my wallet. Cairo took my wallet, y'all. Cairo and Zion does this. They take my wallet and they like to take everything out, dump everything out, and then they see me. First of all, they like when I chase them. They think it's funny. It'll be funny. They take my wallet and they take everything out, and then they see me coming and they be running like it's funny. And I be like, yo, these kids really playing with my emotions. Let me get in the store, y'all. I'm talking too much. Let me get in the store. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I'm back home right now. I'm doing this really quickly. I am so annoyed because I forgot one main ingredient, which I'm gonna go back out and get, because that was the main ingredient which made me want to have this. Jeremiah says hi. Say hi.
I can't see them.
1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Hi.
I gotta go back and deliver. So I'm going back out to get that as soon as she comes back. I'm gonna run back out and get that. So yeah, in my cabinet right now. So what I was gonna say, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and I'll try to explain really quickly how I make it and what I use it for, because they're watching TV and it has them kind of muted while I do this really quickly. But basically I got them some milk because they needed more milk. I got some Italian dressing, guys. I seasoned my meat, my shish kebabs, and my steak kebabs with this. So I season it however I want to season it, and then I marinate it. Okay, I'm talking so you can't be rude. Because it says hi. Jay, close that. Close it. Close it. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to talk really quickly because they are waiting to put the movie back on. I season my meat how I want to season it. So the steak kebabs, this is what I do. I get the steak. I get these steaks here. You guys can see it with the camera right here. So just basically just beef cube steak. It's really for the stew. Yeah, yeah. Stop, Jeremiah. Stop, Jeremiah. So you're not getting no piece of my cake. Whoever's talking is not getting. Okay, guys. So I season my meat however I want to season it, and then I get the beef stew. I get the beef for stewing. So basically, okay, y'all. Sorry about that. I use for my shish kebabs, I use the beef stew chunks or whatever. So they're just pieces of steak or whatever, pieces of beef. And instead of me going to buy the whole thing, I just buy these already cut up, wash them really good, wash them, put a little bit of vinegar, rinse them really good, and then.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeremiah. Today I am gonna go not going swimming couch, and I'm gonna show you that I can read my book. I do my song. You wanna see my song? Peace. Yo, go to it. Okay. Diana.
Okay, guys, so the rest of this video is just gonna be me playing some music and showing you guys what I got, because the boys just became out of control and I couldn't record with my voice. So enjoy the music and enjoy this little mini grocery haul as I'm recording right now, and I still can't record because you can hear the noise in the background. So enjoy.
what you want, baby, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. OPN. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.